Hi and welcome to this tutorial video. Today we did a model of the high velocity impact over a reinforced concrete slab. The concrete slab is made of two sections. The top section is the normal or typical concrete and the bottom section is ultra high performance. So we have two concrete material here. Then let me remove. Then we have a steel reinforcement here as a gray in the normal concrete and CFRP reinforcement, these rods, as the reinforcement for the ultra high performance. Also, we have the uh, anchorage system, bolt and steel plate to improve the shear behavior of the slab. You can see, and if I click on this, animate, you can see the deformation of the anchorage system, and this is the final view or final frame. See, this is the final frame. And let me add all parts and click on this. See here, first let me create compressive damage. The compressive damage is a huge, see the deformation. If I click here, see this is the huge deformation and both parts are failed. Typical concrete and ultra high performance under this impact. For instance, we can request tension damage. See here, Johnson Cook damage. Let me remove this for the steel part, which is happen here. See here, the elements are failed here. Stress, I don't know, any stiffness degradation or any result. But consider this point. In this example, we didn't use element failure, full failure, but in the other, we used full failure, and the result is this. See, it is the result for the full failure. Let me use compressive damage, for instance. Click on this. See the deformation and the full failure which is happened, and see the anchorage parts here. They are fall apart or take apart the concrete as the host of all these parts. See, then can use tension damage. See here. I don't know, the Johnson Cook damage. It is about 90% damage. Plastic strain, stiffness degradation, or stress. Let me remove here. See the stress, and see these elements are filled completely here and here under the impact load. You can see. Okay, if you want to learn this example with two methods, first this and second this is the method, you can use this tutorial. So come to our website here, abacusfem.com here, abacusfem.com. Find the English tutorial here. This is the tutorial. Click on title. Then you will have explanation, introduction, assembly, then definition, and at the end the result as figures you can see. So the price of this tutorial includes CAE, INP, reference paper, and English video file is 26 euros. We use all the payment method like cryptocurrencies here, PayPal, Visa, or MasterCard for the payment. Before payment, contact us at this email here, see, to tell you more about the payment process, the tutorial content, or anything that you need to know. For now, thank you for your attention.